Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be looking at the Defender Pro XT from Otterbox for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This, of course, is available for the iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus as well. And it's a little bit different than your standard Defender. And one reason I like the XT is it supports MagSafe accessories, so it is MagSafe compatible for your chargers, your wallet, all that kind of stuff, as you can see right here. It does have a hard plastic back rather than the soft rubber back on the regular Defender, which I find a little bit better, especially for when you're holding your phone and stuff like that. Just something I prefer. This still does work with your belt clip. They do have a Defender XT belt clip. I'm not sure if it will work with the regular Defender belt clip. It will. They do sell one for it though. It does not include one. When this first came out, they did give you a code to get a free one, but it does not look like they do that any longer. Make sure there's nothing in here. Yeah, they did give you a coupon code. Oh, let's see. Nope, it looks like there is a promo code. I dropped it. There is a promo code in the box if you still want a holster. So you just have to add it to your cart, and then there is a promo code in the box. So here's the case right here. Still going to be your two-piece case, just like the regular Defender. So we're going to go ahead and put it on. It is a little bit different. It doesn't have as many snaps. Alright, so I'm done. I was doing basically the complete opposite of how you do it. This little inner ring right here comes out. It's not the back piece that comes off. So this piece right here does not peel away from this. It's just this inner ring right here that comes off. Once you get that off, then you can set the phone down in there like so and snap this back on. Let's see, is it? Yeah. And you can tell the top because it's got the little earpiece cut out right here. So then just pull the sides back around it, like so. This is a pain to get on. Once you get started, you can kind of just start snapping the edges. Everybody always wants full videos on how to put these cases on, because the instructions are not very clear. I actually didn't even see any instructions in the box. There we go. Open up the charge port. Let's keep working around the edge. There's that. Alright, we're almost there. I feel like this is taking way longer than it should. Trying to get that last bit of the corner in. Alright, there we go. Finally got that on. So, that's what it looks like right there. It does take a little bit of effort to get on there, but once it's on there, it's very protective and will definitely protect your phone and not be coming off anytime soon or easily. So I'm going to go check and see if my regular Otterbox holster fits this. If not, I'm going to go order me one for this phone as well. And that is it. That's the Otterbox Defender Pro XT. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.